Everyone hates ads, but did you know you could get paid to watch them? Most people just turn them out, but there are ways to make money by watching short videos. Although you might not earn enough money to replace your paycheck, watching ads could be a lucrative side hustle to make money online right now. At the end of this video, I will share you a bonus that make you more money, which is powered by Roladel. So don't skip this video if you really want to make money online legitimately. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through your social media feed, reading emails or watching TV shows, check out this list of the best apps and sites that will pay you for watching ads. Number 7 is QuickRewards.net. QuickReward.net has paid out over $7 million to its members since it started in 2002 and has an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. Unlike some other paid survey sites, QuickReward lets you redeem your reward with as little as 1 cent. QuickReward pays you to watch videos, take surveys, and shop online. You can earn 25 quick points to 1 cent per video you watch. Each activity is worth a different number of points depending on the complexity and the length of the task. For example, if an activity is worth 1,000 points, the cash value would be $10 points and be converted to paper cash, Amazon gift cards, or physically mailed gift cards with no minimum required to cash out. Number 6 is ysense.com. YSense is another company that pays you to watch ads on your phone, from taking surveys and shopping online to watching videos and playing games. YSense.com has a wide range of easy ways to earn money. Users review it favorably, earning YSense of 4.2 out of 5 on Trustpilot. To start earning, sign up with your email address and start completing short surveys and watching videos. You can earn up to 3 cents for every video card you complete. You can cash out your earnings through PayPal or a variety of gift cards. Share your referral link with your friends and family to earn even more money. Each active referral will earn 10 cents or 30 cents depending on your country, and there is no limit to the number of referrals you can have. You can also earn up to 30% commission on what your referrals earn from selected offers, tasks, and surveys. Number 5 is FusionCash.net. Founded in 2005, FusionCash.net is one of the oldest paid survey sites to date. FusionCash.net has paid out over $3 million to its members. You can get a $5 sign-up bonus just for confirming your email and completing a brief survey. Although it's just a few mixed reviews on Trustpilot with some users complaining about customer service, it still may be worth a try. If you don't want to sign up, you can still earn money with FusionCash.net in several ways, including watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. You can earn cash that can be deposited directly into your PayPal account after you reach the $25 minimum withdrawal. Listening to the radio will earn you 3 cents, and watching videos will earn you 1 cent and 2 cents. You can also earn points by referring friends and family to Fusion.net. This lucrative referral program offers $1 for referral. Number 4 is RIZoo.com. This is another legitimate reward site that pays you to watch videos, take surveys, and complete tasks with a 4.3 rating on Trustpilot and many satisfied users. It's an appealing option for people who want to earn money watching ads, from playing games and watching videos, mostly app trailers and movie trailers, to taking surveys and sharing your opinion. RIZoo offers tons of easy ways to make money online during your spare time. Download the app to get paid to watch ads on your phone or find special offers from their partner brands. You can earn 0.8 to 1 point per video you watch or 1 point per minute of played game. Once you've earned 3,000 IRs, the points you make will qualify for any $5 reward. These rewards include gift cards and paper cash. You can also earn money and points by referring friends and family to join RIZoo.com. You will get a referral bonus of 100 to 500 points depending on your country whenever anyone signs up using your link and earns their first 1,000 points. Number 3 is Wigo.co.uk. It's another reward app launched in 2012 that pays users to watch TV shows and check into live sporting events. The company has paid out over $19 million to its members. All you need to do is to start earning is to download the visual app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Wigo.co.uk has mixed reviews on Google Play, with some users citing bugs and issues with the app after an update. However, it still might be worth checking out whether a new update has solved the issues. Tune into your favorite show and check into live sporting events to start earning points. Wigo.co.uk pays 10 points per minute for listening to music or watching shows. Each point is worth about 1 cent, so it will take you about 1000 points to earn $1. Points can be redeemed for gift cards or paper cash. Number 2, grabpoints.com. Grabpoints.com was founded in 2014. Grabpoints.com is a reward site that pays users for completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. The company has paid out over $5 million in earnings and has a low minimum payout of just 3,000 points. Grabpoints.com has an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 on Trustpilot from nearly 2,000 reviewers. Unlike other platforms, grabpoint.com does not require personal information beyond the name and email address. This makes it quick and easy to sign up and start watching videos. You can get paid to watch ads by flipping through your channels until you find video that interests you. Watching videos, downloading apps, or filling out surveys can earn you up to 2 to 10,000 points depending on the task. You can also earn 25 to 250 points by referring friends and family to join GrabPoints depending on the country you live in. If you know people who like watching videos and would like a little extra card or free gift card, you can earn some extra points through the GrabPoint referral program. Number 1, cashkick.com. Unlike most companies on this list, cashkick.com pays you in cash. You don't have to worry about reward points or electronic gift card. You can just cash out your earnings straight to your PayPal account once you reach the $10 threshold. Cashkick.com has an above average rating, overall rating of 62% on Trustpilot. However, some complaints about the amount of time it takes to reach the minimum cash out. Cashkick's low minimum payout thresholds will let you cash out easily and often. It doesn't use a point system, so you can just watch your money accumulate until you have enough to cash out. Different activities will earn you different cash amounts ranging from $5 to $20. Don't forget to take advantage of cashkick.com referral program and invite your friends and family to sign up. You can earn a 25% commission on the total earning of anyone you refer to cashkick.com using your unique referring. Bonus offer, which is the last one in our list, is Roladel.com. Roladel is a website, digital and physical marketplace where anyone can buy and sell services. Roladel is one of the largest Nigerian marketplace for freelance service and has a database of more than 3,000 services. Aspiring YouTubers come to the Roladel website and ask to help them promote their videos, and that's where they offer to promote their video for a small fee. On the other hand, Roladel show their videos to millions of people around the world who watch their videos through the website, and that's where you get an opportunity to make money online by watching those videos. You make money by watching those YouTube videos. When you watch their videos, they get their views and you get money for it. You can earn between 50 to 1,000 Roladel funds per each video, depends on the video duration, and each 5k Roladel fund is equivalent to 2.5k, and you can convert it to USD or any other currency you want. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe for more videos.